that until it's definitely cold. It does take a few seconds to go cold. And then use like a mid-sized roller, brush it through, roll on through the ends, make sure it's neatly rolled on, and then I literally just lift and roll down to give myself volume. I always like to roller it back. When I put my parting in, it gives me more volume then. Now I always blow forward and back. That way it stops drying on a set parting. And I think when it dries off parting, you automatically get a lot more volume when you put your parting in. Always make sure that it's 100% dry and you're lifting it from the root. And then always remember your cold setting. Same again, lift your roller up and then roll down again. I like to roll it back on myself. There we go. And I'm going to do like a little half up, half down style and like maybe go over my ends in a minute, but I'll do a separate video for that.